Hi friends, I am Ansu. I tell you some motivational lines. If you want to achieve greatness, stop asking for permission. Think, work out best for those who make the best of how things work out. To live a creative life, we must lose our fear to being wrong. If you are not willing to rise, the usual you will have to settle for the ordinary. Trust because you are willing to accept the risk, not because it is safe or certain. Take up one idea, make that one idea your life. Think of it, dream of it, life on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nervous, every part of your body be full of that idea and just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success. All our dreams can come true if we have courage to pursue them. Good things come to people who wait, but better things come to those who go out and get them. If you do what do you always did, you will get what you always got. Success is working for failure to failure with no loss of ethos. Just when the caterpillar thought the world was ending, he returned into a butterfly. Successful entrepreneurs are giving and not takers of positive energies. Everywhere you see a successful person, you only see the public, glorious, nervous, never private sacrifice to reach them. Opportunities don't happen, you create them. Try not to become a person to success, but rather try to become a person of values. Great minds discuss ideas, average minds discuss events, small minds discuss people. I have not failed. I have just found thousands ways that was. I have not failed. I have just found thousands ways that wasn't work. If you don't value your time, neither will others. Stop giving ways. Your time and talent start charging for it. A successful man is one who can lay firm foundation with the bricks others have thrown at him. No one can make you feel inferior without your constant. The whole secret of successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do and then do it. If you are going through hell, keep going. The ones who are crazy enough to think they can't change world are the ones who do. Don't raise your voice, improve your argument. What seem to us as bitter troubles are often blessing in disuse. The meaning of life is to find your gift. The purpose of life is to give it away. The distance between insanity and genius is measured only by success. When you stop chasing the wrong things, you give the right things a chance to catch you. I believe that the only courage anybody ever needs is the courage to follow your one dream. No masterpieces was were created by a lazy artist. Happiness is a butterfly which, when pursued, is always beyond your grasp. But which, if you will sit down quietly, may alight upon you. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. Blessed are those who can give without remembering and take without forgetting.